If you have been looking for a DIY deep conditioner that will promote thicker, longer and healthier hair, then this is the one for you. This DIY deep conditioner contains ingredients that will deeply penetrate your hair to repair and nourish it. I tried it once and the result was amazing. And the best part is that it only requires a few ingredients around you. So let me show you how to make it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to get a clean container, and inside it I'm going to add a few tablespoons of fenugreek. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons full of raw oats. In this video, I added 1 tablespoon of fenugreek and 2 tablespoons of oats. However, off camera, I ended up adding like additional tablespoons each, just so that the deep conditioner will be enough for me and my kids. So the next thing I'm going to do is to pour a room temperature water, cover it and keep it aside for 12 hours. I like to do this at night so that by morning it is ready. 12 hours later, we are ready to proceed with our deep conditioner, and this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to pour everything inside my blender bottle. Later in the video, I'm going to share some of the amazing benefits that made me combine these ingredients together, so keep watching. And the next ingredient that I'm going to add is aloe vera. Now I've already gone ahead to dice my aloe vera in smaller pieces so that it will be easy for my blender to crush all of it. So next I'm going to add egg, but trust me, you don't really need egg for this deep conditioner, okay? And now I'm going to add the star of the recipe, which is avocado. So I'm going to be using 2 whole avocado, but I think you can use 1 if you're making this deep conditioner for yourself alone. Now if you notice, 1 is already about to spoil, but it is okay. We are still going to use it like that. The next thing is to scoop out my avocado into my blender. So I am done scooping out all the avocado. Now I'm going to add shea butter. You can actually replace shea butter with oil if that is what you prefer. Next, I'm going to cover my blender and blend it smoothly. Like, you need to blend this as smooth as possible because fenugreek is a little harder to blend, and if you do not blend it well enough, you will not be getting much from your deep conditioner. And now I am done blending, but no matter how smooth my deep conditioner looks after blending, I do not try to skip the sieving part, because no matter how smooth it appears to look, if you do not sieve it, it has particles, and guess what? Those particles, they are like tiny roaches that don't leave you alone in peace. So I try to avoid them by sieving, and that is because I'd rather spend hours sieving this than spend hours in the bathroom trying to wash off those particles from my hair. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to continue sieving until it is all done. So to avoid making a mess, please use a bigger bowl. Don't mind me. I tried using the smaller plates from earlier, and then I realized that it was not going to work, so I switched to a bigger plate. Now, some people have noted that some DIYs lack sleep. On that note, if you want to increase the sleep in this deep conditioner, you can actually extract the gel from flaxseed or okra and then pour it after you finish sieving your deep conditioner. However, the sleep from this one is more than okay for me. Alright my love, so look at how yummy this deep conditioner looks. So I'm just going to mix it up to make sure there is no lumps, and deep conditioner is ready. So the next clip will be me showing you how I apply this deep conditioner on my hair, but before then I have to share the deep conditioner between me and my girls. So this is how I apply the deep conditioner on my hair for best results. First, I start on a clean hair, and the best day for me is usually after I finish shampooing my hair. Next, I work in section. If you have hair that is thick and tangles easily like my own, then working in section will do you the best. Like, it will give you the best results every single time. The reason why some people feel like their deep conditioner is not working for their hair, or that they are not getting enough sleep, is because they are not working on their hair in sections. It helps to wash your hair in twists, so that way when you are deep conditioning, you just pick a twist at a time and, you know, apply the deep conditioner, wrap it up, and move on to the next one. But if you do not wash your hair in twists, yeah, you can still section your hair, maybe 6 sections, 8 sections. The smaller the better for best results. If you've not tried working in section before when deep conditioning your hair, sister, I'm challenging you now, right now. Your next deep condition, work in section. And then please don't forget to come back and give me your results. If you feel your hair is too thick, your hair is this, your hair is that, work in section. I'm telling you, like, it's funny how much difference it makes when you work in section. All right guys, so why I apply this amazing deep conditioner section by section, I am actually going to now be sharing some of the amazing benefits that I promised earlier. Now, the first one I want to talk about is Fenugreek. Fenugreek is actually the strength of this deep conditioner, in the sense that Fenugreek is packed with nicotinic acid and lecithin. Now, nicotinic acid is known to help stimulate blood flow to the scalp, which can encourage hair growth, while lecithin, I hope I'm pronouncing the word well, lecithin, whatever, while lecithin acts as a natural emollient that strengthens the hair strands. The second one is oats. Now, oats in this deep conditioner is acting as a protective barrier. Why? Because oats contains a property called beta-glucan, which forms a thin transparent film over the hair. Now, this film helps to lock in moisture and provide sleep, making detangling easier. The next one, which is aloe vera. Aloe vera is a scalp healer. So aloe vera has it has enzyme. I don't know how to pronounce this particular enzyme, but I'm going to leave it up. So let's just sum it up as it has enzyme which repairs dead skin cell on the scalp. Now, it is also a natural humectant, meaning it pulls moisture from the atmosphere into your hair, making your hair to stay moisturized for a really long time. Next, let's talk about egg. Egg is a protein, but one thing about egg is that the molecules are too large, according to what I've heard, so it is not able to deeply coat your hair. The coating works on the surface. Like, when you use egg as a protein treatment, you will notice a difference on your hair, but that difference is not coming from the inside of your hair. However, it is still okay because it still works on your hair. However, if you're looking for a good protein treatment, please don't rely on eggs alone, because eggs has a larger molecule that is not able to deeply penetrate your hair and give your hair the protein that it deserves. I've heard that the best protein to use when you want to give your hair a protein treatment is a hydrolyzed protein. These proteins are broken down into tiny particles that is easier for your hair to absorb. How that makes sense? You can actually read more on that so that you understand better. And that is why, if you remember, I did mention that you can actually skip the egg if you want to. Okay, it is not compulsory. It has its own benefits, but it is not going to give you a satisfactory protein treatment. Okay. Now, the last but not the least is the star of the show, which is avocado. And the reason why avocado is the star of this show is because avocado is a deep penetrator. Avocado itself is rich in monounsaturated fatty acid like oleic acid, and this allows it to actually penetrate the hair shaft and moisturize it from the inside out rather than just coating the surface. Avocados are extremely moisturizing and nourishing because they contain natural oils and fatty acids that offers deep penetration and structural repair to your hair. Now when you combine all these ingredients together based on their individual benefits, it is going to help taking your hair over time, and you also see instant results such as less shedding and breakage. Your hair will also feel softer to the touch, which makes handling your hair way more easier. Okay, and the best part is that your hair will retain the softness and shine from this deep conditioner even after a while. So if you're looking for a homemade deep conditioner that is going to help you to retain so much growth over time, then this deep conditioner is going to do the trick for you, because even with these few ingredients, the result is amazing. Trust me guys, like I tried it on my hair and on my girl's hair, and I felt this is the one. Like I wish I can package it and actually sell it. All right my loves, I hope that you are enjoying the video. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Okay, it will help signal to YouTube algorithm that there is benefit in the video. And also, if you want to see more DIY deep conditioner, please subscribe to the channel and turn on your bell notification so that you will get notified each time I upload a new video. You can also extend the love by sharing this to anyone you feel will enjoy the video. Anyway guys, after applying it on my hair, I'm going to cover my hair with a nylon first, then I'll follow up with my double bonnet, because on this particular day there was no light, so I'm not going to sit under a heat cap. Okay, for that reason I'm going to let this sit for 1 good hour, and after 1 good hour I'm going to wash it off with plain water guys, nothing else, only water. And afterwards, can you see the shine that this is giving to my hair? Alright my loves, this is it for today's video, but before we go, here is the scripture for today. The righteous will flourish like a palm tree, they will grow like a cedar of Lebanon, planted in the house of the Lord. They will flourish in the courts of our God. Psalm 92 from verse 12 to 13. And that is it my amazing family. My name is Favor. Until I come your way next time, please take care of your amazing self, and bye. Mwah.